A jury decides a Chattanooga restaurant cannot be held liable for the death of 19-year-old Hannah Barnes. We've been following the $25 million lawsuit in Hamilton County Civil Court. News Channel 9's Jerry Askin is live now with details of the decision. Good evening, Jerry.
Yeah, Kim, Calvin, good evening. This trial lasted for 12 days, so 12 days of testimony. Today, after 2 hours, the jury reached a verdict saying Michael Hennen wasn't at fault in serving Hannah Barnes alcohol the night she died. And today, Judge Neil Thomas, who heard the case these past 12 days, said, of all his time working here and for 17 years here on the bench, this case by far was his most emotional. After hearing the verdict, no comment at all. What about you, Mr. Warren? Today, Lisa Barnes and her attorney refused to comment after hearing the verdict, but defense attorney Al Henry, nearly in tears, did.
And we're just thankful that the jury did their job under difficult circumstances and got to the truth.
Today, he seconded a sentiment spoken before that these tragic deaths can't be righted by a case made in court.
Before this case started, we said that we thought that all the lawsuit would bring was just further heartache to the family. We're sorry we have to come to this, but we just hope that Michael and Hannah can finally rest in peace.
During closing arguments, Henry pointed out that witnesses and pictures prove that Hannah, who was 19, was a drinker for many years before she died. Lisa Barnes' attorney maintained during the case that someone dropped the ball.
But when you blur the lines between what's legal and not legal, what happens, like Mr. Cannon said, it's bigger and bigger and bigger, more and more problems, and you end up with the closing manager behind the bar at 2 a.m. giving a 19-year-old liquor.
And Lisa Barnes will not receive any portion of the money she's suing for, which was $25 million. And no word now on if Lisa Barnes will file an appeal in this case. For now, we're live in downtown Chattanooga. I'm Jerry Askin, News Channel 9.